am Tina and I am a music educator at Furtado School of Music. At Furtado School of Music, we believe in spreading the joy of music whenever we can, wherever we can. So I would like to show you a small glimpse of our musical journey through our FSM anthem. Here it goes. Have fun.
Feel the music.
Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. Without a school of music, where the music always flows. Without a school of music, where the knowledge always grows. Without a school of music, where the musicians are born. Without a school of music, your name we proudly adore.
Wasn't that cool? So that you know, the entire FSM anthem has been recorded, composed, arranged and sung by our own FSM teachers. That's cool, right? Yes, that's what I thought. Now, I just told you we at FSM love to spread the joy of music, be it without an instrument or with an instrument. Now, you might be wondering, how can music exist without an instrument? But guess what? Let's give it a thought. Were we born with an instrument? No. So today, we are going to use different parts of our body as natural instruments and our voice to create super awesome music and have lots of fun. Now, when we use different parts of our body via tapping or hitting and it makes sounds, it is called body percussion. Yes, so now I'd like to call Kedar sir, who is an expert in body percussion, and he's going to help us further today. Yes, Kedar sir.
Well, thank you so much, Valentina ma'am, for the wonderful explanation about the body percussion. My name is Kedar and I'm going to tell you about the steps. Okay, so to learn the body percussion, I'm going to tell you when we go to a birthday party, what do you do? We clap, right? Suppose let's assume your friend is getting an appreciation. What we do? Again, we clap. So in the first step, we are doing the clapping only. Yes. So I'm going to show you that how we are going to clap the first step. So watch it carefully. Clap, clap. So how many times you're going to clap? Twice. Yes, this is very simple. Let's do it, all of you. So the first step is clap, clap with your both hands. Now moving forward to the second step. The second step is also very easy. Now in the second step, we are going to pat on our laps, but not like this. Okay, we are going to clap separately. So show me your both hands like this in the air. Yes. Now pat with your right hand on your lap. 1, and now with the left hand. 2, and now again with the right hand. 3. Yes. So in step 2, how many times we are going to pat on our laps? 3 times. That's absolutely correct. And to make it more easy, we are going to say table tape. Okay. So I will combine both these steps and tell you that how we're going to do this. Okay, so watch me carefully. Clap, clap, table tape. Yes, that's it. So this was step 2. Now let's go to the third step. Now in the third step, we are going to do clap, right, clap left. It's very easy again. Now whenever I say clap right, you're going to pat on your lap with your right hand. When I'm going to say clap left, that means we are going to pat on your lap with the left hand. Okay, so if I combine these three steps, we get this: clap, clap, table, clap, right, left. Okay, now moving forward to the third step. So the third step, we are going to clap again, clap right, clap left. Yes, that is all about the third step. So in our third step, we're going to do clap right, clap left. Have you understood till this? Great. I hope everybody is doing practice with me. Yes, Valentina ma'am, that's right. So the fourth step is again clap right, left. So we are going to clap like this, then pat on your right lap with the right hand and with the left hand. So if we combine all these four steps, what we get is clap, clap, table, clap right, left, clap right, clap left, clap right, left. I'll show it to you one more time. Clap, clap, table, clap right, left, clap right, clap left, clap right, left. That's it. Very good. So I can see all of you are trying to clap on the timing, the rhythm. Yes. So Valentina ma'am, can we do this on the soundtrack? Can we do this along with the song? Yes. Okay. But before we do that, let me tell you all that we are going to do it little fast. Not little, we're going to do it a much more faster than this usual. So let me show you once how fast we are going to do it. Great. Thank you so much, Valentina ma'am, for being with me and for practicing the steps. Now let's try doing the steps on the song. Let's go. Two, three, go.
आसमां है नीला क्यों, पानी गीला गीला क्यों, गोल क्यों है ज़मीन, सिक में है नमी क्यों, आग में है गर्मी क्यों, दो आगों बात क्यों नहीं, पेड़ हो गए कम क्यों, तीन है ये मौसम क्यों, चांद दो क्यों नहीं, दुनिया में है जंग क्यों, बहता लाल रंग क्यों, सरहदे है क्यों हर कहीं, सोचा है कि तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है कि है क्या सब awesome. I had a lot of fun singing along with you and you doing the body percussion. And I for a fact know that all the students and all the people watching this must have had a lot of fun as well. And they might have done it as well. Sir, but I request you, could you please just reiterate the 3 steps that you taught us?
Oh yes, of course, Valentina ma'am. I'm going to show you the steps very slowly because you really, if you need to do it fast with the song, you need to practice it slowly. Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps again. Look carefully. Clap, clap, table, pay, clap, right, left, clap, right, clap, left, clap, right, left. I'm going to show it to you one more time. Please watch carefully. Clap, clap, table, pay, clap, right, left, clap, right, clap, left, clap, right, left. Okay, yes. Thank you all of you.
Thank you so much, Kedar sir, for helping us out here and for reiterating the steps as well. Thank you so much. Now, for all the students and people watching this, I want you guys to know that this is not the only song that you can do body percussion on. You can select any song you like. That's right, you can select any song you like and do the steps slowly. You can invent your own steps for that matter. Yes, you can do that. So select your own song, try different steps and try it slowly, and gradually when you start practicing it slowly by slowly, you start increasing the speed and you will be able to play and clap it really well. So I want everyone to keep practicing because I'm looking forward to some awesome performances soon. Yes, now the best option for this is we would like to show you a glimpse of our own very site, that is the FSM Buddy, where we offer a number of music courses and other courses as well. And in this lockdown, I tell you, music is the best therapy. So I want all of y'all to at least have a look at the FSM Buddy website and join some courses. It's going to be super awesome fun. So let's see a glimpse of our own FSM Buddy site.
In today's times, creativity is the need of the hour, and what better way to cultivate it than by indulging in various forms of art? Presenting FSM Buddy, your one-stop destination to everything that screams creativity. Music, art, craft, sound production, dance, languages, drama. Log on for live lessons which give you instant feedback and personal direction, all from the comfort of your own lovely home. These sessions are conducted by our amazing community of teachers. Come on then, unleash your creative power. Start your online learning journey with FSM Buddy today.
I hope you guys watched the video and liked it. Yes, so whenever you feel you want to explore music, do contact us. We are ever ready to help you with anything you would like. Also, we have experts teaching here, so you learn from no one but the best. And it's unfortunately time for us to say goodbye. But the goodbye is not going to be simple because goodbye is also going to be musical. So here's a goodbye song for all of y'all.
It's time to say goodbye, goodbye to everyone. Music is fun, but for now it's all done. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
That was the goodbye song for y'all, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope we were able to make this time fun for y'all. This is Valentina signing off, and let's see you next Sunday, same place, same time, and bye.